Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about something that happens quite frequently, and it's been something going on a lot on Facebook lately. And let's make it even more general. I'm focusing here on Facebook Messenger, but any messaging app, even text messages on your phone, could be victim of this. And here's the thing. So, one of the questions I get asked a lot is, okay, if I get one of those scams and I didn't click the link or anything, I just deleted the conversation, am I okay? And in general, yes, you are, because this comes from somebody else. And if you didn't click the link, you didn't do anything, it's just a message that's there, there's nothing happening, your account is not compromised. It's compromised at the moment that you would click the link to see the video or do stuff, because there are several ways that could actually impact you. First of all, if you're not up to date, it could be an impact in a hacking of your account by security flaws that exist. Or most of the time what they want to do is they're going to ask you personal details. And of course, you do never give personal details in these links ever, ever, ever. So that's the first thing. But you should actually tell the person that was responsible. So if a friend of yours has this sent to you, then notify that person that there's something wrong with their account and that they should change their password. These don't send themselves automatically. There's a big, one of the big rumors and the big problems out there that people think it's, kind of the fake news of Facebook. People are always saying, oh, well, Facebook is hacked all over and that's why it's happening. We have nothing we can do about it. It's not true. Facebook is not hacked all over, and it's not, there's no compromise or anything. When you see this, who was compromised is that person. That means that person used a bad password. It's the user's fault pretty much all the time. So that person has a bad password, or that password has been scooped up in some phishing or some scam or some, security flaw somewhere on a website. And they use the same password everywhere. So now somebody knows the password here for their account on Facebook. So always, when you see this, always tell that person, change your password. You are compromised, because there's no way for anyone to send a message from your account without having access to your account. The other thing that, of course, people are asking is, yeah, but what if I get this? Does it mean everybody that I know is getting it? It's not from you if everybody else is getting it. It's because you have the same friend. And that same friend, of course, sends it to every contact in their Facebook friend list. As long as you didn't click anything, as long as you didn't answer any questions, you're not sending it to anybody else. Just delete it, ignore it, and you're okay. It is something that is easy to scare at first because it's like, in your face. And when things happen real quickly like that, we kind of have a sense, we're kind of unsecure, if you want. So just, ignore it. But do tell everybody that, if it's from a friend of yours or whatever, make sure that you have this, tell them that there's something wrong. In some cases, there is a possibility of something else. If you look at Facebook, the way that it works, the Messenger app has two categories. It has your friends' messages, but it has a second category that is kind of hidden, but it exists. And it's messages being sent by people you don't know. And that is because people that, are not your Facebook friends could technically be, you could talk to them through Messenger if you want to. But it's not automatic. But some scammers out there are actually using that functionality to send messages to you. So if you don't know who the person is that sent you a message on Messenger, ignore it and block that person, and that's it. Make sure that you can block people from actually sending you messages when they're not your Facebook friends. Actually, even your friends you can block if you want. But make sure that you do not open or click anything from people you have no idea who they are. That also is an important thing to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.